Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to reveal the secret of static strength, a solid base that helps you be tough, stable, and not easily defeated in workouts and everyday life. Static strength doesn't just build muscles, it also builds a strong will, improves posture, and reduces the risk of injury more effectively. Let's explore the 8 most effective isometric exercises to build a strong and lasting foundation of strength. First up, we're going to start with the horse stance hold. This is one of the most important basic stances in traditional Asian martial arts, especially in styles like Vavanam, Karate, Kung Fu, and Taekwondo. The horse stance doesn't just build strong legs, it also makes you more flexible, helps with balance, and builds stamina for your whole body. When you practice it regularly, you'll really feel a change in the strength of your thighs, glutes, and core. These are key muscles that help you move more smoothly and powerfully in all your sports and daily activities. To do it right, stand with your feet a little wider than your shoulders, with your toes pointing slightly out. Then, slowly lower yourself down like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Make sure to keep your back straight, your chest open, and your eyes looking straight ahead. You can put your hands on your hips or stretch them out in front of you to make it harder. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes, and your weight is spread evenly on both feet. This stance really helps you train your stability and body control. When you hold this stance, you'll really feel your thigh, glute, and core muscles working hard. Your body will start to warm up, and your muscles might shake a little because they're holding that tight position. This is when your muscles are getting their best workout. Try to hold this stance for 30 seconds if you're just starting, then slowly increase the time to 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even longer as you get used to it. Don't forget to breathe steadily, taking deep breaths to give your muscles enough oxygen to work well. The benefits of the horse stance aren't just about making your legs stronger. When you practice it regularly, you'll notice that your running, jumping, squatting, and even climbing stairs get much better. Plus, this exercise also helps you build a strong will, endurance, and patience. These are important not just in sports, but in everyday life too. Especially for those who love martial arts, the horse stance is also a foundation for doing more complex moves and defending yourself better. One great thing about this exercise is that you can do it anywhere, from your living room, to a park, to the gym. You don't need any equipment at all, just enough space to spread your feet comfortably. This makes it easy to keep up your daily practice, no matter how busy your schedule is. Use your free time, like when you're watching TV or taking a break from work, to do a few sets of horse stance. It'll help keep your body strong and full of energy. Once you're comfortable with the basic stance, you can challenge yourself by holding it longer or adding arm movements like punching, chopping, or following martial arts forms. You can also use a timer to track your progress, or practice with friends to stay motivated and make it more fun. Mixing up your workout will help you avoid getting bored and develop more fully. Don't underestimate this seemingly simple exercise. The horse stance is key to building strength, balance, and a strong will for anyone who wants to improve their physical and mental fitness. Keep practicing every day, and you'll be amazed at your progress. The dead hang is one of the easiest exercises you can do anywhere there's a bar, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This exercise offers tons of benefits for your health and overall strength. All you need is a sturdy bar, and you can start your journey to better body strength right at home, at the gym, or even at the park. Dead hangs don't just make your hands, shoulders, and back stronger. They also help improve your grip and make your joints and ligaments more flexible. When you hang, your whole upper body has to work to keep you steady, which builds strength all over. To do it right, grab the bar firmly. You can have your palms facing forward or towards you, whichever feels best. Hang there, letting your body relax, but keep your shoulders pulled down, not scrunched up by your ears. Lightly tighten your core muscles to protect your spine and keep your body steady. Breathe evenly and feel your muscles working. If you're just starting, try holding for about 20-30 seconds each time. Once you get used to it, slowly increase the time to 45 seconds, 1 minute, or even longer. Hanging for longer will help your body adapt and build lasting strength. Dead hangs not only make your forearms stronger but also stretch your spine, taking pressure off your lower back. This helps you feel lighter and more flexible after each workout. Plus, this exercise improves your posture, helps open up your shoulders, and prevents common shoulder injuries often seen in office workers or gym goers. Once you're good with 2 hands, you can challenge yourself by hanging with 1 hand. This is a more advanced move that needs better grip, strength, and body control. Start by keeping one hand on the bar and using the other hand to help a little, then slowly move to hanging completely with just one hand. To make it harder or to add some variety, you can gently kick your legs or slowly twist your body while hanging. These movements help work more muscles in your abs, hips, and lower back, and also improve your body control. Throughout your workout, always control your breathing. Take deep breaths in and out evenly. Avoid swinging too much or twisting your body too far to prevent injuries. Focus on the feeling of stretching and the strength in each muscle group. If you do dead hangs regularly, you'll notice a big improvement in your hand, shoulder, back strength, and grip in just a few weeks. Not only will it make you stronger, but dead hangs also give you a feeling of confidence and comfort in your daily activities. Make dead hangs a key part of your workout routine to enjoy all the amazing benefits they offer. The Glute Bridge Hold, a great exercise for your butt, lower back and core. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips high, squeezing your butt and core tight. Keep your back straight, don't let it arch, and hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. This exercise really works your butt muscles, makes your lower body stronger, and helps prevent back pain. Want to make it harder? Lift one leg off the ground. Always control your breathing. Keep your core tight, and don't let your hips drop. Don't skip the Glute Bridge Hold if you want a firm butt and a strong, healthy back. Side plank. This is an isometric exercise that helps build your side muscles, your core, and makes you better at balancing. Lie on your side, put your elbow right under your shoulder, lift your hips up, and keep your body in a straight line. You can put your other hand on your hip or raise it up to make it harder. Hold for 20-40 seconds on each side, and then switch to work both sides of your body evenly. Side plank helps make your waist stronger, eases back pain, and gives you better control over your whole body. Want an even bigger challenge? Try lifting your top leg or bending your knee. Do this regularly and you'll really feel the difference in your core and how well you can balance. The long lever plank. Natisans, no time bow. This is a super hard plank move that really works your core, shoulders, and upper back. It's not just about keeping your body straight, it also needs you to have amazing body control and a strong mind. When you do it right, you'll feel your whole middle section working super hard to keep you steady, and your shoulders and upper back will be super tight helping out. To start, get into a regular plank with your elbows right under your shoulders. Then, slowly move your elbows forward about 8 to 12 inches, so your arms make a bigger angle with your body. Now, your whole body needs to stay straight like a board, from your head to your heels. Be careful not to let your back dip or your hips go too high, because that will make the exercise less effective and could even hurt you. Once you're in the right position, you'll feel a lot of pressure in your belly muscles, shoulders, and upper back. This means those muscles are working as hard as they can. Try to hold this position for 20-40 seconds or longer if you're more experienced. Don't forget to breathe evenly, taking deep breaths to give your muscles enough oxygen to work well. This exercise doesn't just build amazing core strength, it also helps a lot with other exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, or any activity that needs your body to be stable. When your core is strong, you'll really notice a difference in how well you work out, and you'll be less likely to hurt your lower back. If you want to make it harder, you can do it on a slippery floor, put your feet on a chair, or even use an exercise ball to make it more wobbly. These changes will make your core muscles work even harder to keep your balance, which makes the exercise even better. Always remember to keep your back straight, don't let your hips drop or go too high. This is a real test of your willpower and your static strength. Keep practicing, and you'll see big improvements not just in your core, but in your whole upper body strength and how well you can control your body. Isometric Row Hold. This is a static exercise that helps build your back, rear shoulders, and grip muscles. Lie on your back under a bar, pull yourself up so your chest is almost touching the bar, squeeze your back and rear shoulders, and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Always keep your body straight, your core tight, and your shoulders pulled back. This exercise really works your middle back muscles and rear shoulders, and it helps with exercises like pull-ups and push-ups. Want to make it harder? Put your feet up high or add some weights. Do this regularly, and you'll get a thicker back, firm rear shoulders, and better holding power. The Reverse Lunge Iso Hold. This exercise helps make your legs stronger, more balanced, and more enduring. Stand up straight, step one leg back, lower your body, keep your front knee at a right angle and squeeze your thigh, glute, and core muscles tight. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side, then switch legs to make sure both sides get strong. This exercise makes your legs stronger, improves your balance, and gets you ready for other powerful moves like squats and jump lunges.